Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time coming across the space, you are highly welcome. So today's video is a little different and super exciting because I received a generous food package from Noble Mary's Ventures. If you know Noble Mary's Venture and if you know me so well, you will know that Noble Mary Venture is one of the company I have invested in, and they pay me back. And why they pay me back? They give me incentives and they double my money. So today's video, I'm going to be unboxing all the goodies they sent to me as a thank you for partnering with them. Honestly, I am super and beyond delighted when this food stuff arrived, and I couldn't wait to share this good news and good stuff with you guys. It feels amazing to be appreciated, and this thoughtful gift from Noble Mary's Venture really made my day. Compared to some other company whereby you invest your money, you don't even get 10% of what you invested in with them, but Noble Mary promises 100% interest and also an incentive, a thank you for partnering with them. This company has been on for 4 going to 5 years. I think they celebrated their 5 years this past December. So this should be a month after receiving this food package. So let's go through the unboxing. So you'll see all the goodies they sent to me. If you want to join this company, they are very easy to join. Okay, if you are in Nigeria or even abroad, people abroad also join this company. So it is super easy, and they run their stuff online, which makes it very easy for anybody to join and anybody to be a partaker of this program. So without talking too much, let me show you all the stuff this company give to me, because they are not here to play. Noble Mary have stand the test of time. So a lot of friends, when I introduce them to this company, they keep saying, are you sure these people are not scam? Are you sure these people are not going to eat your money? Are you sure these people are not like MMM and some other Ponzi scheme? At the end of the day, they did not do what they say, but Noble Mary have come to stay. So let's get right into it. Let's do the unboxing together. So guys, here is the incentive I received from Noble Mary. All is packed and it was sent down from Lagos, and this is how they package my stuff. Let's start with this big box. Oh, no. So altogether I have 4 packages from Noble Mary. So let's begin with this one. Or should we start with this? So inside this box, I have Indomie pack. So this is 1 pack of Indomie. I have another pack. Wow. This is the second pack. So this is the 4th carton. Fifth and the 6th. And this is the 6th carton.
There's no paper, right?
So guys, this is the 6 cartons of Indomie they gave to me, and let's get to this bag. So guys, let's see what is inside here. Wow. This is Milo sachets. So guys, this is 12 rows of Milo sachets. So this is the creamer milk. Noble Mary, thank you for this gift too. Noble Mary, thank you so much for this gift too. Thank you. I am super grateful, Noble Mary. So this is 12 rows of Kivo creamer milk, and so there also is Sonia tin tomatoes. Sonia tin tomatoes, tomato mix. So sharp jollof rice, sharp spaghetti. Tin tomato is going to, Sonia tin tomato is going to do the work. You know that time whereby you want that fast food, sharp cooking. Sonia tin tomatoes does the work for you. Check it out. This is 12 rows of Sonia tin tomatoes, guys. Noble Mary. So this is Checkers. This is the pack of it. First pack, the second pack, the third pack, and this is the fourth pack of Checkers custard. I bet who they check Who they take am for us? This is 2 pack of Checkers custard, and this is 2 pack of Checkers custard. And inside, it is like this for a roll. Like this for a roll of the custard. So they gave me this custard for 4 packets. So going forward, guys, let's see what is still inside this bag. So on here, I have semo. This is 5 kg of semo, and it's here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So guys, this is 12 packs of semo, 5 kg semo. All these are a thank you for partnering with us, guys. So you can see 5 kg into 12. So guys, going to the next box, let's see what we have here. Oh, okay. So this is rice. This is 3 kg of rice. And final but not least, let's see what we have inside this box. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, wow, wow. So this is the 4th rice, this is the 5th rice, and the 6th rice. So the rice they gave to me is 6 packs of rice, and each bag contains 3 kg of rice. So on here, I have my Lazis groundnut oil. So they came in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So guys, this is all I got from Noble Mary. A thank you from Noble Mary for partnering with them. So guys, all I did was just to contribute 1,300 naira weekly into multiple accounts, and at the end of it all, this is all I got from Noble Mary. So in case you are wondering how can you join this company, I'm going to be linking their company down at the description box. down below, so make sure you check out the description so you can see how you can go through this company on how to register with them. They are very registering with the company is super easy. Or if you want to do that, I'm still going to drop their customer service contact down below. In case you want to join, you can contact them and know how to register with this company. So I am super grateful, I am so happy. Doing this for 3 years now, I can beat my chest and say that this company have really helped me a lot. There are times whereby I don't have cash, I don't have any money to even go for food stuff, but with these things they give me here, it can serve me a whole lot of time, and I can be able to save up and do whatever thing I want to do with money. So Noble Mary have been a lifesaver to my family. They have been a lifesaver to a lot of people out there. People that have joined this company and they have benefited a lot from this company. I just believe me, they are in social media. If you want to read about them, you can go to Facebook, search for Noble Mary's Venture, and you are going to see the mighty and good works this company has been doing. So this is all I got, and I am super excited. So if you are dragging your feet today to joining Noble Mary, I will advise you to stop dragging your feet, because for me to do this, you too, you can do this, and you are going to reap all the benefits from Noble Mary. So thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video really helpful, do not fail to click the like button. So guys, these are all that I got from Noble Mary for partnering with them, for doing contribution with them. And all those things here is a thank you for partnering with Noble Mary. It is a lot. It is a lot, because I have never seen a company that promises and they fulfill all their promises here in Nigeria. But Noble Mary have stood the test of time, and they have proven that they are the best actually. Since the very first time I started this contribution and partnering with this company, I have never regretted doing so for one day. I've been doing this contribution with Noble Mary for the past 3 years now, and they have proven worthy of going back to them, doing same contribution with them, and this is all I got from Noble Mary. I did not pay a dime. I did not pay a dime. All I did was to send my Wavy money for this to get back to me. But had it been I'm in Lagos, I would just go direct to the company and pick up my incentive by myself. And not only that, before they send down this incentive to me, I have already collected my money that I have contributed with them, and double of my money. Guys, this is a whole lot, and all those things are free of charge. So in case you want to join this company, I'm going to be linking down. Oh, these people making noise. So in case you want to join this company, I'm going to be linking down the company down below, so you get to see the amazing things they are doing. I think they're in Facebook and in other social media accounts whereby you can check them out. You can also check out their website so you can see all that this company have to do. And I'm also going to be linking down their customer service in case you want to call them and know how this company goes. And thank you for watching, guys. I am super excited that I was able to show you guys all this company were able to give to me. Honestly, I am grateful, I am happy, and we will continue. If it's not Noble Mary, it can never be Noble Mary. So thank you guys for watching. It's always Noble Mary forever, and Noble Mary, you are here to stay. Noble Mary, thank you for saving lives. Thank you for putting food on our tables. Thank you for feeding the poor. Thank you for bringing a lot to our table. Thank you, Noble Mary. I am super grateful, and I believe you that is watching, you are next in line to collect even more than this that have collected from Noble Mary. So thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Bye.